this part you have to do it at home. Page number 14, textbook, English course textbook. Okay, communicate in English. Understood? Now I am going to tell you the story in this video, and reading part I will send you in the audio form. Okay, with the textbook reading. Understood, child? DP Duck and Rosie Rabbit are friends. They play near the pond. This DP Duck and Rosie Rabbit, they both are friends, and they were having fun while playing with each other. They were playing near the pond and they were having fun, and they were also chit-chatting, talking with each other. So that time this DP Duck is asking to Rosie Rabbit, I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? Then the rabbit is saying, no, I cannot. I can hop. What Rosie Rabbit is saying, that I can't swim, but I can do hopping. Okay. Then DP likes to swim, Rosie likes to hop. They have fun. Whatever they are doing, they are happy with it. That whatever DP likes to swim, so she is happy with it. And Rosie Rabbit is likes to hop, and it is also happy with that. And they are having fun. Now they are asking to each other. Rabbit is saying to DP Duck, can you hop? Then DP Duck is saying, no, I cannot, but I can swim. The same answer the DP Duck is giving. That when Rosie Rabbit is asking that, can you hop? Then that time DP Duck is saying, no, I cannot hop, but I can swim. Then this duck is saying, I want to hop like you, Rosie. Then DP Duck is saying to Rosie Rabbit, wow, so nicely you are hopping. I also want to hop like you. Please help me. That time Rosie Rabbit is saying, I want to swim like you, DP. And DP is also saying, Rosie Rabbit is also saying, I also want to swim like DP Duck, like you. That time, what happens next? See, now Rosie Rabbit can't swim, but still it goes in the water, and DP Duck can't hop, but still it is on the ground, on the way. So they are saying, now Rosie Rabbit is saying, help, I cannot swim, help. Because it can't swim, then why it went into the water? It is wrong. The same way DP Duck also can't hop, but still it went on the ground. Help, I cannot hop. So they both were asking for the help because they have done the wrong thing which they don't know, but still they were trying to do it. Mama Duck and Mama Rabbit helped them. Then immediately after hearing their voice, that time what happened? Mamas came. They see, whenever we are in difficulty, what we do? We call to Mama, or immediately hearing our voice, our Mama is coming to help us. Okay, the same way this Mama Rabbit and Mama Duck help them, and that time DP, come and swim with me. You are not a rabbit, you cannot hop. That time DP Mama is saying, DP Duck's Mama is saying that you are not rabbit, so you can't hop. So come and let's swim with me. At the same, Rosie Rabbit's mother is saying, Rosie, you cannot swim. You are not a duck. Come and hop with me. So both of them, they told them, they teach them lesson that whichever things you don't know, you don't have to do it. Okay? Understood, children? Understood the lesson? From this lesson, we come to know that whichever things we know, we have to do that only. And if you want to learn something new, take the help of your elders. But don't do it alone. Understood? Everyone enjoyed the lesson?